what's really started in the last 18 months is, we've certainly had data throughout, so the growth of data, but the ability for algorithms to use all that infrastructure to actually learn on the data real time. When we talk about machine learning, it means that it's constantly improving on its own. We're moving to a point that you no longer have to write computer programs. You just state a function, and there's enough computing power to be able to change that. And that is what the field of artificial intelligence is. What I think it means for all of us, though, is that we're going to start another phase, which I would probably call the intelligence phase. Because now the economic value is going to be how well your computing power can learn something. There's a lot of enthusiasm around AI because of voice and because you can ask questions and get answers and have an interface. But the voice, and I think voice is really important. We work on that. But that says we're still in a network phase, and in fact, voice is just a better form of search. It's a better form of finding what you're looking for. And it doesn't really capture all the things that are around learning. So our belief is that actually we're going to go into a learning phase, and the value should ascribe to the content. The value should ascribe to, do you know something better than your competitors, and can you train your model on that, and can it learn from there? And this is why we have focused so far more on professional use. Because Watson is really good at learning how to read an X-ray, really good at how to read a medical journal, learning the tax code, learning banking regulations, learning the weather, which is now done by machine learning, which is how I got there. So it's a big change, and there's profound impact. There's 20,000 people at Credit Mutuel that use Watson to actually give better personal advice to customers. H&R Block used it for a few million tax returns last year. Certainly we have folks using it to keep up with all the medical journals when they're practicing medicine around the world. Early days, but we're seeing that happen because professional content better understands learning. But I would say all content, if you are a media company and you're producing something, understanding what it is you know, understanding your expertise and extending that is key. So I believe in this next phase, we will see exponential growth.